In this video, let's talk about the way that you fix the Snapchat login from new device. If you just use your new device to log into your Snapchat account and you're not being able to do so, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you're adding in your correct information. So the phone number or the email address that is currently linked with your Snapchat account. Once you ensure that, there are two ways that you can log in. Either you'll need to receive the code via your phone number or via your email address. So you can try switching between these options and try to see if one of these options lets you get the code and lets you successfully log in. If you're trying to get the code from via your phone number, then you'll need to ensure that your SMS is currently not blocking any sort of services and if it is not blocking any sort of messages from being received. If that is the case for you, then you'll not be able to receive the code. Then what you can also try out is try switching to your email option and try receiving the code on your email address. Also what you can do is try resetting your password in case you forgot the password of your account. This lets you reset via again your email as well as your phone number. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, the other thing that you can do is try to clear the cache as well as update the app of Snapchat. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, scroll down, head over to storage, and then tap on clear cache. Once you've done that, head over to Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat, and if you do see new updates available, tap on the update button. Lastly, if you are currently seeing an error message, then what you can do is wait out 15 to 20 minutes, or it may even take up to 24 to 48 hours for you to be able to log in back to your Snapchat account. So if you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat login from a new device error. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.